Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very beautiful and easy pattern. You can use this pattern in your ladies sweater, baby sweater, cardigan, shawl. See, this is the way it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 6 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 6 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 20 stitches on my needle, which is 6 plus 6 plus 6, 3 times 6 18, and 2 edge stitch 20. So row 1 right side knit all stitches. Row 1 right side knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 3 right side, slip your edge stitch knitwise on the right side and start the repeat from here. Yarn over SSK, slip 1 knitwise, slip 2 knitwise, and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK, yarn over SSK, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2, knit 2 together, and yarn over. That's the repeat from here to here. Yarn over SSK, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 together, yarn over. This is the repeat pattern. You will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have. We have 2 more repeats. Repeat that again. Yarn over. See, this way we have here 2 yarn overs, right? Start the repeat that again. So yarn over SSK, knit 2, knit 2 together, yarn over. We have done 2 repeats. One more repeat. We have one more repeat. Again, yarn over SSK, knit 2, knit 2 together, yarn over. So we have done our all repeats, and your last edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side. For row 4 wrong side, slip your edge stitch and purl all these stitches, and here we have 2 yarn overs. You make 2 purl stitch here, right? This we have 1 yarn over here. For 1 yarn over, purl 1 and purl all these stitches, purl all these purl stitches, and here we have 2 yarn overs. For 2 yarn overs, make 2 purl stitch here, 1 and one more time 2, right? From 2 yarn overs, make 2 purl stitch here. Again, purl all these purl stitches, See, these 2 yarn overs make 2 purl stitch here, 1 and 2. And we have here 1 yarn over. For your 1 yarn over, only 1 purl stitch, edge stitch, purl. Row 5. For row 5, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1. Again, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1. One more time, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1. And your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 6. For row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7. For row 7, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2, and these 2 stitches we are going to twist to the left way. We are going to twist this stitch to the left way. So bring the stitch here from the back side and knit this 2, 1, 2, knit this 2 and then knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, twist 2 to the left way, knit 2. This is the repeat pattern. Again, knit 2, twist 2 to the left way, knit this 2 and knit 2. One more repeat, knit 2, twist 2 to the left way, knit 2 and knit 2, and edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 8. For row 8, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.